Alright, Corvette fans, here we go, Z06 time. 2016 Corvette Z06 Coupe with the removable carbon fiber roof panel painted to match. Beautiful car, two-owner car, clean Carfax, confirms mileage. And we'll slip around to the interior. I'm going to show you the miles on this. What was it, 6,000 to 7,000 range? Have to take a look again. But low mile car, and again, no accidents, no paint work, clean Carfax, confirms mileage. Now, some of the options on this car. First of all, let's start with underneath the engine. Of course, we got the LT4 6.2 liter supercharged V8 producing 650 horsepower with 650 pound-feet of torque. These babies will move and they handle like they are on rails. Now, I'm going to tell you where to go look at the pictures. So when I go through this list of options and what to look for in this car, you can check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com down below this video. In the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right to our website and the listing of this car. Feel free to call us too, 507-386-1726. This car came to us from a gentleman in our area that just decided he's cutting back on a few of his toys, and some of the high horsepower stuff is what it appears he's going to be selling. This is one of them, and he also had a CTSV. Paint on this car, condition of the car, very nice shape. Of course, it is black. You look close enough, you might find a little nick or a chip here or there, but overall, a very, very nice condition car. Now, let's run down some of the options that we're ordering on this car. Again, this will not be the complete list of options, but I'll get through a pretty good list of them for you. Memory package, 8-way power seats, driver and passenger, performance traction management system, dual automatic climate control, so dual zone both sides. As you can see, this one does have the 7-speed manual transmission. Kind of the black or very deep charcoal leather interior. Luggage shade in the back. I do have the removable roof panel put in back there. It's tough to see with the rear tinted window, but it does have the luggage shade in the rear. Performance ride and handling suspension, 342 rear gears. Does have the suede microfiber wrapped upper interior trim package. Red calipers, if you notice those going around the car. Does have the Z06 black alloy wheels, 19 in the front, 20s in the rear. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist you with getting this car to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. This one also has the rear differential cooler, heated and vented driver and passenger seats, performance exhaust, high intensity discharge headlamps. Does have the Sirius XM radio as well as OnStar. Universal home remote is also in there. Driver's information center, the Bose 10 speaker system, one of the better ones. Performance data and video recorder, heads up display, front curb view camera. Does have the dry sump oil system and the Michelin Pilot Sports that would have came with from the factory. Again, if you want to check out the still pictures to see all the options I just went through and then some, check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. And remember, give us a call. Number's 507-386-1726. I'm going to go ahead and hop in, start this up, get you the exact miles on it, take a listen to how it sounds, and we're going to pop the hood. Let's take a look under there. Beautiful sounding cars. Sorry, I estimated a tad high in the miles. 51,024 miles. Want a car that sounds like a race car with that performance exhaust? This is the one. And it is is clean and well taken care of. As you can see, no warning indicator lights on. Just the seatbelt warning. That is it. Again, 650 horse, 600 foot-pounds of torque. Wow. Listen to that. LT4 supercharged. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. I want to pop this hood. Let's check out the engine bay. All right, clean as a whistle under here. Has not been driven in any inclement weather. It's your Z06 hood liner. Look at this, beautiful. Does not appear to be any modifications. Maybe this would have came stock. How slim that runs and how neat and tidy that is. There you go. Looking for a low mile Z06, a little over 5,000 miles, 2016 Z06 coupe. Removable carbon fiber roof panel painted to match all the options. This is a 3LZ package. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Down below this video in the description. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you with getting this car to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. This one's a beauty, folks.